Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect GameSir G7 Pro to an iPhone. First, make sure the GameSir G7 Pro is charged. Then, turn it on by pressing the power button until the LED lights up. Now, press and hold the B+ home button or check the controller's manual for the iOS Bluetooth combo. The LED should start blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now, open the settings and go to Bluetooth. Then, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Look for GameSir G7 Pro under the other device. After that, tap it to pair. The LED on the controller should stay solid, confirm the connection. Next, open a game that supports controllers like Apple Arcade or compatible iOS games. Now, check that buttons, sticks, and triggers respond correctly. If the controller doesn't appear, turn Bluetooth off or on your iPhone and retry. Then restart the controller and try pairing again. Make sure the controller is in iOS or Bluetooth mode, not another mode, for example, Android or PC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.